hard is it to build a church? No offense. Because, like, if you think about it, Mom, they build, like, really big things in, like, 2 years. I don't know why this church needs, like, 7,000 years.
Such as, like, the nuclear expansion is only taking a year and a half.
Exactly.
Okay, we are about to go on a bike tour. We just got changed. This is Elliot.
If you do that flashback, I'll be teaching you a new Spanish word, muerto.
So guys, some really cool information that Elliot's gonna tell us is what?
It's a drone. Wow. Okay, I won't let it give me any ideas. It's 8:16 a.m. in Barcelona. We are heading into the train station because today we have a list of things we'd like to see, starting off with the biggest and most important church in Barcelona, La Sagrada Familia.
You don't look like a ghoul, Levy. You just need to brush your hair.
I did, and it didn't work because I brushed it last night.
I don't know why this church needs like 7,000 years.
As Aaron alluded to, this church has been being built for 150 years and still is not done. We are at the top of the Nativity Tower in Barcelona's Sagrada Familia, and we are basically above the whole city. This bridge connects the two towers that are finished and built, while the other ones are still getting built today.
So we are in Gaudi Park. We just walked up this long hill and now we're exploring. Fun.
Okay, we are leaving Gaudi Park, not Gandhi Park.
Gandhi.
Because Gandhi did not build it, but Gaudi did. Right, Nick?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna take the metro back.
That's enough.
Not me.
They asked me to put them in the vlog, so.
She just doesn't like me. She likes you guys.
It's the next morning and we're going up a ski lift to a mountain.
Today we're going up the funicular. It's a tiny, tiny train that goes up the side of a mountain, and it's leaving in 6 minutes and 3 seconds.
Alright, well, just got to the top of a mountain, and I think now we're heading to the cable cars, which are going to take us the rest of the way up in the air.
All it really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe it to get away. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the top, got time for no day.
We are at Montague Castle, and we're just gonna check this whole place out. And it has a really cool view behind me of the harbor.
A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower.